Welcome, future scientists. You've just entered the world of 10th class science.
Hey, hello everyone, this is Kavya C. Welcome to my classes. In today's session, let's start our new lesson, that is acid, bases and salts. So we'll be starting this lesson with a beautiful story which has two friends and a teacher. So before going to this lesson, if you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe and do comments to the video. Thank you. Yes, let's start our lesson, that is acid, bases and salts. Before going to this lesson, let me introduce the characters. Okay, yes, that is friend 1, that is confused, slow learner. Friend 2, that is smart, help others. So there will be two friends in a village. So they'll be going to school. So what happens next? So they'll meet a teacher. Again, the conversation starts. What happens? The teacher enters the classroom. When she enters, so she will wish the class. So she will wish like, good morning class. So let's have a fun discussion about acid, bases and salts. And then ask a question. She will ask a question, that is, what are acids? Then what happens? So those two friends will be thinking about that question. So they'll think again, they'll get to a climax and they'll get the answer. First, that is her slow learner, that is confused slow learner will get the answer. So what this slow learner will answer? That is, he'll be excited to answer the question because he knows the answer, right? Yes, so he answers, ma'am, acids are sour and taste like lemon juice and vinegar. So lemon juice and vinegar are used in day-to-day life also. So that is why this particular friend, that is a slow learner, knows the answer very well. So he answered and he was so happy. So he was waiting for the teacher's reply. So what is the reply of the teacher? Let's see. Okay, teacher, excellent. Yes, teach acids taste so, but remember, never taste chemicals in the lab. So teacher advised one thing along with that excitement. So what teacher advised? Teacher told never to taste chemicals that are present in the lab. Why? So these chemicals may have harmful acidic or basic natures, so which may affect our skin cells or tissues that are present in our body. Further, they may damage our organs also. Yes, this care should be taken. Yes, let's go next. Again, teacher tells acids have a pH less than 7. So teacher mentioned one thing here, that is acids have pH less than 7. So what do you mean by pH? What do you mean by pH? pH is nothing but the power of hydrogen. Means it is nothing but the concentration of hydrogen. If the concentration of hydrogen is more, then the pH level is below 7. Okay, that is what they are mentioning. That is, acids have a pH less than 7. Again, teacher asked another question. That is, can anyone name a laboratory acid? So, acids that are used in the laboratory. What may be the answer? Just think about it. Here comes, so what happens next? That is friend 2. Who is the friend 2? That is smart learner, smart one. So, what she or he answered? Let's see. So friend 2 tells hydrochloric acid, it is found in our stomach too. So what she answered? She related our stomach's acid to the laboratory acid. So this hydrochloric acid is present inside our stomach as well as in the laboratory also. Right? So she is a smart one. Right? Yes. So let's see what is the reaction of our teacher. So teacher, right, HCl is a strong acid. So HCl is a strong acid. Again, others include sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4, and nitric acid. So these are all the laboratory acid, that is hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid as well as nitric acid. So these are all the strong acids. Okay, yes children. Again, teacher raises a new question, that is, now tell me what are bases. So what are bases? So tell me, what are bases? So friend 2 tells she was unsure about that. Again, she answered, even though she was unsure, she was in the dilemma for that question. So she answered, what are bases? Maybe they are opposite of acids. Maybe whether they are opposite of acid. So teacher told, yes, you're right. They are bitter and soapy in nature. They have pH more than 7. As acids have pH less than 7, but bases have pH more than 7. Okay, yes, that is what the teacher was also happy with those answers. So again, teacher told some of the common bases that include sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. So these are the common bases that are found in our laboratory as well as day-to-day lives. Yes, this is enough for today. Thank you. If you are new to this channel, please like, share and subscribe and do comments to the video.